Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 74 Brazilian Dodge Charger. It's new for 2025 and Hotwheels did a livery which is for International Women's Day. So that's why you'll see all the design on this or paint scheme on this. Something to notice, the Brazilian Dodge Charger was smaller than what was launched in States back then. That's what I have read, that this was compact compared to the Dodge Charger that was sold in North America. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Dodge Charger out of its box, and first thing you will notice, it has got a very distinctive paint scheme. It's number 25 and International Women's Day 2025. It also got some names on the bottom. I don't know if there's any reference to somebody. It says Lexi, Emily, Sarah, Donneville, Christina, Megan, Cindy, Kat, and Lauren. So if you guys know what are those names referred to somebody, please leave a comment. Apart from that, since we are on the driver's side, these wheels we have seen on a lot of different Hot Wheels. The base color is white up front. I've never seen a Brazilian Charger, so I don't know how accurate this is, but seems like alright. Like some, you know how there was a North American Charger which had like the entire grille and headlamps underneath it. It looks like something like that. I'm not sure. One thing to notice, there is no chrome on this car, so it's all black. So black bumpers, black wheels, obviously black grille. It's a two-door that you can see, but Ford, obviously it also has got a rear seat, a bench in the rear and two seats in the front. This is the passenger side, and this is how it looks from the back. Again, I can see the place for the tail lamps, but no detail. And exactly like the front, it's a black bumper back here. Fuel filler is on the driver's side, and this is how the base looks. So overall, well, I would say it's a nice, not nice, it's a decent casting for a mainline, but it's a nice addition to the Charger collection, because I haven't seen this before. Didn't even realize that there was a different Charger altogether. So should be a good addition. Oh, I did forget to mention, you see some details on the hood. It looks like how you have those straps on the hood, latches. Looks like that. I'm not sure if it's that. Misses out on the mirrors. Forgot to mention that too. But yeah, it's a nice, cool little casting. I like how they dedicated it to International Women's Day. Looks good. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.